Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can move around your plants and grow a garden to make them a little bit neater and not discarded. As you can see, I have two Romanescos next to each other and it's a little bit confusing to me. Well, I can see the difference, but like I just want to see like the other Romanesco. I do have one I think there as well. I did grow three. So I'm just going to, well, you're going to go to the gear shop first and you're going to purchase a trowel, which I will be doing. Well, I already have one, so oh, I think I need to favorite it because I did favorite this, so I need to favorite. Then I just need to get my trowel, then I can hopefully pick it up. Can I, how am I supposed to move this? Let's go for a different plan because apparently I cannot move the Romanesco for some reason. Is it too big? Hold on, let me favorite everything first. Oops. Where's the other one? Oh, there we go. Okay. Can I still not move it? Okay, I don't know how I'm supposed to move the Romanesco one, but you can move other crops. Like, as you can see, you're just going to select, for instance, like this Poseidon plant. You're just going to grab it. You can even like rotate it to like the direction you want it to go. For instance, I wanted to go that way. I'm just going to then place it down. And that's pretty much it. I don't know why I cannot move the Romanesco plant, if I'm being honest, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.